owners of a Ford Mustang with a 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbo engine have filed a lawsuit against the automaker. They claim that the company has long known about problems with the engine, but is in no hurry to fix them. The plaintiffs have already paid almost $10,000 to repair their car, writes Carscoops. The plaintiffs, Sarah and Trevor Nelson, purchased a Ford Mustang 2.3 EcoBoost from a dealer in 2018. At the end of 2023, they gave the car for repairs due to obvious problems with the engine. Service technicians diagnosed antifreeze getting into the cylinders. According to the plaintiffs, the malfunction is systemic. However, neither the dealer nor Ford itself admitted this. As a result, the repair cost $9,460. Moreover, the cylinder block replacement that the owners were counting on was not done. Instead, spot repairs were made, such as pouring new software and installing an antifreeze level sensor. The lawsuit states that the defect has been known since 2012. At that time, Ford recalled the EcoBoost 1.6 engine for revision and repair, but the 2.3-liter unit with a similar problem was ignored. The plaintiffs are demanding an injunction and compensation for all losses incurred by owners of cars with this engine. The EcoBoost 2.3 engine has been installed on several Ford and Lincoln models for many years. If the court satisfies the claims, the company could face serious losses. Last year, a car enthusiast from Orenburg won compensation in the amount of 1.6 million rubles through the court for a faulty Niva, which he bought in 2020. At the same time, the SUV itself was purchased new for only 7,566 slurs. The dealer was unable to fix the systematic malfunction.